Did you wash everything already?
Nope, not yet.
What do you...
I have to wash the inside of it.
Okay.
I'm stirring the water. Have to be all stirred. I need the sponge to wash this. It's all bubbling. It's all bubbling. Please help my bucket, Daddy. I missed my bucket.
What bucket is that? What color is your bucket?
It's gray, but
Are you finished washing the dishes?
no.
Okay, keep the water in the sink, please.
I'm getting it into it.
Is that your bucket there?
Yep, that is.
What's in your bucket?
I'm filling up it.
Okay.
Some green glider I made. But first I have a like that to get the like that. I'm filling up it.
Are you all done now?
Nope.
More dishes to wash?
This has to be on here. It has to be on here. Where's the pig? And I washed it.
There's no pig on that one.
Oh.
That's from the pasta store.
This has a pig on it.
Yeah, that's from the pig store.
Oh. And what is this came from?
That came from the pasta store.
Oh, it spells pasta.
It does.
They're the same. They're the same.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
What's different?
This is not different, and this is different.
Yeah.
Where's my bucket?
I'm not sure. Maybe we should go look for it in the living room?